Hello and welcome back guys to Southside Miniatures. Sorry about the lighting, but we're trying to sort it out to make it a bit brighter because it is a bit dull, and now we know that, so sorry about that. There's a room box is going to make it into a 1950s American diner, and we did download a picture of the internet of the way it was back in 1950s. So we just downloaded this to get an idea of the stuff they had in it. So I have made a floor plan of the room, and then all this is to scale, and as is 1:24 scale, and as you can see the floor plan fits perfect in there. As I will say that I have they've done the floor, and that's sorry about that. But I will show you as the rest of the stuff what I have done, but it still needs a bit of work done to it. But I will video and every single one from now on and make some tutorials on this. So I have made the bar, and now when that sits to scale on the floor plan, and I've still got to do the top and the sides. Yeah. Also, I have made the counter, and as you can see the drawers. I made the drawers to go in it. So I've still got a lot of work to do on this, and I've still got to do the countertop. As the sides in the fronts, and the drawers, and I paint them up and make them look good. So that is the counter, and also I've done a little bit on the ceiling, and as you can see by the picture, the ceiling's got a drop ceiling on this side, and it's got a pelmet going around it. But I haven't completed it. I've done a little bit of work on it, but I will show you this now. This is the ceiling, and as I said, it's got a drop ceiling on this side of it because it fits that way up. And I've still got to put the side to it, and fix that to it, cut it down and fix it to it. And plus I've still got to paint it, and as I've got to put all the lights in it as well, because you've got 3 lights on this side, and sorry, you've got 4 lights on this side and 3 lights on this side, and over the chairs on this side. Sorry I didn't do any videos on it, but I will do from now on, and I will show you every step that we do in this American diner. So please do join us, and if you could press that subscribe, and then that like button, and if you've got any comments, and if you can leave in the box below, and if you need to get in contact with us, if you can get in contact with us on southsideminiatures@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching our video. Speak to you soon. Right, bye bye.